Welcome to Chimahaba Spiritual TV, where spirituality is our watchword. Please consider subscribing, like our videos, share our videos, and comment on the comment section. Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. In today's video, I want to share with us a spiritual recipe that you can use to put confusion in the camp of your enemy, to put confusion between your enemies, those backbiting you, those fighting you spiritually, making your life to be uncomfortable, making you to live a miserable life. If you want to put confusion, if you want to destroy them, this message is for you. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Welcome back to Chimamata Spiritual TV. On this channel, we share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problems, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. So if you are just joining us for the very first time, please consider subscribing in order to become a member of this channel. Subscribe to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, comment on the comment section. Share my videos to your friends and your families, to your well-wishers. Share it on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and God bless you. And for those of you who are my returning subscriber, my day one gang, my bona fide subscribers, you know who you are. Those of you who has been supporting me in money and in kind, buying my spiritual materials, I pray for you that God should continue to bless you, and so shall it be. On today's Power Pack information or spiritual tips, I have come with another wonderful spiritual tips that can help you to put catastrophe, to put confusion in the camp of your enemies. Those your enemies that has been backbiting you, gathering, doing meeting on your behalf, causing catastrophe to your life, causing sicknesses, rising and falling, barrenness, leaking pockets, blockages, all kinds of blockages, making you to suffer, and after suffering you will not have anything to offer for your suffer. I have come to put an end to those making you to feel uncomfortable, to those causing you misery. This recipe today, if you can follow the direction, the way I am going to direct you and do it perfect, all those your enemies, the universe, the God in heaven, my father's deities and ancestors are going to put confusion in their camp. All you need to do is to go inside the market or inside the spiritual shop and you get me mustard seed. Mustard seed come in different color. We have the brown color, we have the black color. But what you need in this recipe is black mustard seed. I don't know if you have heard about mustard seed. Listen, even in the Bible days, Jesus Christ said, if your faith is like the mustard seed, you can say to the mountain, be you move, and the mountain will leave that place and move. Yes. Let me tell you, only the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and violence taketh it by force. The grace that you are going to carry is the grace of mustard seed, in order to put misery, confusion in the camp of your enemy. Those that want you dead, those that have been afflicting you with diseases and sicknesses, those evil forces. Do you know the work of mustard seed? Mustard seed drive away evil activities. It drive away negative energies. It drive away evil forces. It drive away evil attack. If you want to know the spiritual benefit of mustard seed, I will come back in my next video to explain to you. You can use mustard seed to protect your home. You can use mustard seed to drive away evil negative energies from your home by spraying it in your environment. When you spray it in your environment, no witchcraft will befall you. No evil activities will be active in your environment when you spray this mustard seed. Mustard seed has a lot of power. Jesus also used mustard seed to illustrate the power even with the little faith If you have little faith, with this mustard seed and your faith, you are going to put confusion in the camp of the enemy. You have been doing these tips. You have been doing this tip for your enemy to end them up. They are not being ended up. They are claiming, they are proving stubborn. You do this spiritual tip, they are still there. You do this spiritual tip, they are still there. They are gossiping you. They are backbiting you, spoiling you in the presence of your enemy. They doesn't want good thing to come for you. From your maternal side, they are afflicting you. They are attacking you with evil forces, with evil spirit. Search no more for the solution. All you need to get for me is your mustard seed. That is what we need for this recipe. Another item is your sheet of paper, where you will write the names of those enemies, those people that has been backbiting you, those people that has been making your life miserable, those people in your office that does not want you to get promoted, those people holding your contract, those people owing you and they don't want to pay you. They want you to die in poverty. They want you to swallow, you to die in shallow or swallow of poverty. Those people afflicting you with diseases, with sicknesses, manipulating you with evil manipulation. Write their name on this sheet of paper. If they are 8, write their name. If they are 10, no matter their multitude, no matter how multitude they are, write their name on this sheet of paper. You are going to end them with mustard seed, even though your faith has not been carrying you. Today, this recipe, with the faith of mustard seed, with the power, the spiritual energy that mustard seed possesses, if you use it in this recipe, you are going to put confusion in the garden of your enemies. Those your enemies are going to get confused. Whenever they can never think about anything concerning you, they can never think to do evil against you. They will be fighting themselves. When they check you in the mirror, they will see another person's face. When they call your name, the earth will answer them. When they do any sacrifice on your head, the goddess and the gods of the earth will never receive it. If you don't know any of your enemy, write to whom that is my enemy, or to whom it may concern, or you write all my enemies. Now, you are going to invite the 24 elders on this recipe. But before I go on to tell you how you are going to do this recipe, I would like to introduce my product, to advertise my product a little bit, because it's called Walk and Chop. For those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima and I'm a spiritualist. And on this channel, we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. And a lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. Yes, we have the road opening soap. If you are here, your road has been blockages all over your road. When you are using this soap to bathe, everything you are doing will start working. Your road will come back alive and start being open. We have the curse breaking soap. If you are under a curse, under any curse, paternal curse, maternal curse, inflicted curse that you have caused by yourself, that is making you not to make it, that is causing affliction of the devil, disappointment, wretchedness, failure. If you are using this soap to bathe, every curse that is upon you, that has been laid on you, knowingly or unknowingly, this soap is going to remove it. We have the anti-witchcraft soap. If you are under witchcraft activities, has the witchcraft made your body a living place for them? They have been sucking your blood, tearing you, causing diseases, causing infections, causing sicknesses. We have the anti-witchcraft soap. When you are using this soap to take your bath, every witchcraft activities we cease in your life. We also have the back to sender soap. For those of you who live in Europe, who live in Asia, who live in America, that evil uncles, evil brothers, evil sisters has been attacking, we have the back to sender soap. When you are using this soap to take your bath, anything that any man do will return back to sender to that man or that woman. We have the spiritual cleansing bath detox. If spiritual work has not been working for you, if things has not been working for you, you need to cleanse your aura. You need to use this cleansing bath detox to cleanse your aura, so that good thing will come. People will love you. People will favor you. Connection will come from all angles when you are using this cleansing bath detox. We have the Equable Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. Is it crawling all over your body? Is something crawling inside your belly? Is it moving inside your belly? We have the antidote to your problem. It is called Equable Plus detox. Yes. We also have the favor soap. We have the love and attraction soap. We have the stop evil oil. We have the 99 demon manipulation stop evil oil. We have the anointed bracelets, attraction bracelets, protection bracelets, and so on and so forth. If you need any of my product, we ship all part of the whole world, Europe, Asia, America, South America. You call me on the phone, +2347088 136610, +2347088 136610. That is my number. We ship all part of the world through DHL, EMS, and FedEx. And if you need me to do any spiritual work for you, call me on the phone. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. Without wasting each and every one of your time, this is what you are going to do with mustard seed to put confusion in the camp of your enemy, those backbiting you, those evil people gathering against you, checking you in their mirror, monitoring you, sending affliction of the devil, disappointment, sickness, rising and falling, barrenness, leaking pocket, blockages. This is what you are going to do. On this recipe, what you need is 24 pieces of this, 24 pieces of mustard seed. That is what you need. You have 24 pieces of mustard seed with the name of your enemies, or to whom it may concern that is your enemies. After you pour the mustard seed like this, you cover the paper. Then you begin to pray as you have prayed. Anywhere they are gathering against me, anywhere they are planning evil, talking evil against me, spoiling me, using my name for incantation, for enchantment, in any kingdom, in any shrine, in any altar, in any church, in any spiritualist shrine, in any spiritualist altar, that any man is using me and using my family as a point of contact, those my enemies, causing confusion in my life, causing delay, barrenness, rising and falling, leaking pocket, blockages. Today, you that is my enemy, as even if my faith cannot carry me, as I use this mustard seed, Jesus Christ used a mustard seed to illustrate the power even with the little faith. Faith as small as mustard seed will grow larger as the mustard seed. So my faith will grow larger as the mustard seed to destroy my enemy, and so shall it be. After praying with this, what you need to do is to burn this. Yes, look for a lighter or matches. You are going to burn it with the mustard seed. Light this and burn it. You can put it in a plate because you need those mustard seed. Light it and make sure it burns to ashes. Then those mustard seed are going to burn with this paper. Then grind the mustard seed with the paper, with the ashes that comes with the paper. Grind it with the mustard seed and blow it out on the air. Do this for complete 4 days. You are going to put confusion in the life of your enemy. Go and do this and come back with your testimony. I have come to the end of this video at this junction. If you did not understand it very well, please just call me or ask me a question on WhatsApp or put it on the comment section and I will answer you as I'm open to communication. God bless you. Don't hesitate to subscribe, to share, to like, and to comment. See you in my next video. Bye for now.